everyone, it's Monica and welcome to Morgana Bluff Nature Preserve and Learning Center. And I'm so happy you all are here to join me today to find our Earth Warrior of the Week. Now today I found a really cool warrior, but let's go a little bit off the trail so we can get a better look at our Earth Warrior. This really awesome flower here. This is actually something that you all have probably seen before, but maybe not in its wild form. This is known as wild carrot, or also known as Queen Anne's lace. Pretty cool flower, right? You can identify this flower in the wild by looking for its really beautiful flower head. Check it out. If you look close, there's a bushel of white flowers. And if you look even closer, there's 5 little petals on each flower stem. 2 little ones and 3 bigger ones. And if you look even closer, can you see there's a purple flower in the middle? Yeah, pretty cool. That's how you're gonna identify wild carrot. A long time ago, when people were first identifying this plant, and it was a long time ago when kings and queens were around, this really beautiful queen named Queen Anne, she was known for her sewing, and she was really good at sewing lace. She also loved sewing lace around flowers too. One day she actually pricked her finger while she was sewing, so they named this flower after her, Queen Anne's lace. And you always can see the little flower that has a little dart of blood on it from her pricking her finger. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about how this plant looks. You can see all the flowers and it kind of looks like an upside down umbrella. Check this out really close. Does it look like an upside down umbrella? We call that an umbel. Kind of sounds like umbrella, upside down umbrella, umbel. This flower has an umbel bushel of flowers, and if you look even closer, you can identify this plant by looking at the stem. Whoa, look at all those little hairs. Those little hairs, well, they kind of protect the plant and also help you identify it from this plant's look-alike. This plant does have a look-alike and it's poisonous. It's known as poison hemlock. Poison hemlock does not have a hairy stem, so always look for a hairy stem and a bushel of white flowers with a little bitty purple flower in the middle. Pretty cool. And if you get even closer, let's check out the leaves of this plant. Check it out. If you look close, it kind of looks like a carrot leaf, right? Yeah, the ones you see in the marketplace. Yeah, this is actually, if you pull it out of the ground, you'll find a little bitty woody carrot. Now, it's not going to be a big carrot, not like the ones you see in the market, but one that's pretty small. The roots aren't that big, pretty small, but this plant is edible. I would not eat it right now though. All the nutrients for this plant are up here in the flower. This plant's still thriving in the summertime, but in the fall, all the nutrients are actually going to go back down into the roots. This flower is actually going to fall off. It's going to actually become a tumbleweed, and all the nutrients are going to go into the actual carrot that we might see as the roots. Pretty cool flower, right? Yeah, you can find this pretty much anywhere in North America. This flower loves sunlight, so anywhere in a meadow or a field where there's tons of sunlight, and usually right off the side of a trail. Try to look for wild carrot, or also known as Queen Anne's lace.